with the Payloader project. We're going to see if we can get this thing running today. Well, I replaced that radiator hose before I filled it with coolant because it was so brittle. As soon as I pushed on it, it split in half. So I got that thing done. Points are all cleaned up. I spent some time pressing all the dents out of that gas tank. Managed to get it back into somewhat shape. Had to redo the fuel filler neck because it was all smashed. So I got it straightened out to where I can put a cap on there now. Gauge panel has been welded up, straightened out, gauges are back in it. Just got it temporarily mounted there just so it doesn't short out. So I checked all the electrics. There's no shorts, no bad wires. I think she's ready to run. So we got the points cleaned up, got the carburetor primed up with gas, got a battery in it. See if this thing will fire. So there you have it. It is a running machine. I played with the hydraulic levers while I had it running, and it didn't move because the thing is most likely out of oil, as evidenced by these couple of leaks that we have here. And now we gotta work on getting this piece fixed and the rest of the gearbox. But it's getting late today. I'm going to have to shut her down, so we'll catch you guys next time.